Welcome guys. In this video, I would like to share about how to send large file via internet. We can use the Sendanywhere. Sendanywhere is a file sharing application that takes an easy, quickly and unlimited approach to file sharing. So let us see the feature of the Sendanywhere. First, one-to-one real-time file transfer. You can share a file using 6-digit key in a real time. It will start to send file when entering 6-digit key in the received device. Second, share file with link. Create a link when you can transfer file in a real time or if you need to share file with multiple people. Third, device to device. Also, you can send a file to a specific device. You can easily transfer file between devices that you frequently send without a 6-digit key or a link. Fourth, attach large file to email. You can easily attach big file by using Chrome extension and Sendanywhere website. So let us start. First, click on the Chrome and then Google search Sendanywhere. Choose the first one. It will link to the official website, and then we select this one, download, and then click on this download button. So it will automatically download this application. So be waiting for this application. Double click on this application and then click yes. Choose the next button and then click install. Okay, and then click finish. It will automatically run this program. In this program, there are 3 tabs which are transfer, history, and my link. So I will show the function send. As a sender, we have to drop a file to here by click on this plus button and then select the file that you want to send. So it will automatically generate 6-digit key and the QR. So I will demonstrate as a receiver by using smartphone. First, click on Play Store, search Sendanywhere, and then click open. We have to choose the receive, and then there are the input key that request user to key the 6-digit key, and QR code scan for easily and quickly. So we use QR scanner. We click. Now it's starting download the file. Now the file is already done, transferred and downloaded. So we see the file and click open. Okay. Beside that, We can also use the Sendanywhere application on smartphone to send the file. So we click on this application and then select the file where you want to send. Click send. So it will generate a 6-digit key and a QR code. On the desktop version, we can go to the Sendanywhere official website and key the input key, which are 081409, and then click button. Now it's automatic download this audio. Okay, everything works well. Next, for this step, my link, you have to sign out first or sign in to activate this feature. Sign in successfully, and then we minimize this program. Go to the Sendanywhere official website, add the file you want to send, for example this movie, click open, and then click on this button link, then sign in. And then click send button, waiting for this. Skip. It will generate a link and a QR code. For this link, it has the expired time. The link can share with the friend without the real-time transfer. So this link also can share with multiple people. After successfully upload, you can click on this icon like two paper sheet. Click, and then it will copy the link to your clipboard. Then click OK. Send the link to your friends through the social media apps, for example WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram direct message. One more thing, if you forget to copy the link, you can open the Sendanywhere application and then click on my link. You will see the link and then can click on this more detail and then click QR code and then give a scan. You will automatically download this file. Furthermore, you can add a multiple file and send through the email. Click this add button, then click email, send, and then click send. Skip this. So it will automatically send the 2 files through the email. Email sent successfully. If you want to ensure and confirm the email is sent successfully or not, you can go through your Gmail and then click on this mail. It will notify you the file was successfully sent and the recipient is danunis77@gmail.com. That's all. Thank you.